be on a site, and this is about all techie and Google Home. Let's just say Google Home now speaks Spanish. Hola. So basically, when you have Google Home set up, you can actually have it speak Spanish to you. So, in instance, the Google Home Mini, for whatever reason, wasn't available through the Home Mini or Home Max. The Spanish support started quietly roll out from 2 weeks ago. So basically, Google is now formally announcing this feature. So if you want to learn Spanish, you could buy Google Home and it can teach you Spanish. It's kind of funny because I myself would like to learn another language, especially using technology to teach you that. Anyway, basically the 3 located versions of Spanish is available is one for Spain, Mexico, and the US, basically. The Home and Home Mini actually launched in Spain from last week, it says, according to The Verge. Google also bringing those devices to Mexico as of today. Yeah, according to TheVerge.com. So what's this plan? What is Google's plan? Is this a great idea? Is this really a good idea? Let me know in the comments below. And have you ever learned Spanish? If not, this might be a great idea. Especially if you don't want to spend how much money on a Spanish-speaking class, you can actually learn it from the Google Home Mini. I'm just saying. Let me know in the comments below of what your thoughts on this one, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button up there, or if it's down there. Subscribe for more videos like this, and let me know what your thoughts on this one. Is this a good idea or is this not a good idea? Which one? Which way are you going here? Which way? Which way? Which way? So yeah, that is pretty much it. Make sure you follow me all over of @Sunny's Live, and see ya. Peace. Bye, and subscribe for more videos. Okay? Bye guys.